The findings of the audit report into financial irregularities at Dunn's River Falls and Park in St. Anne will be made public in due course. That's a response from Chairman of the Urban Development Corporation, UDC, Ransford Braham, who says the corporation is working carefully through the recommendation of the auditors. TVJ's Herman Green has more in this primetime news follow-up.
The UDC on Monday announced that an audit into financial irregularities at the Dunn's River Falls and Park in St. Anne had been completed. Since then, Chairman of Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, Dr. Wickham McNeil, has been asking for the findings to be made public. But speaking with TVJ News on Thursday, UDC Chairman Ransford Braham said there is no rush to do so.
Because we are working through the recommendations made by the auditors in an attempt to implement most, if not all of them, as a matter of urgency, and we think that through wider public exposure might undermine that effort.
He said the irregularities uncovered by the audit did not come as a surprise, as there had been anecdotal reports of questionable practices at Dunn's River Falls for some time. However, he noted that none of the recommendations in the audit report found anyone criminally liable, mainly because that was not the focus of the probe.
The auditors did not undertake that responsibility. They just put forward what they have seen and leave it to others to determine whether any other liability, whether professional or criminal, should be applied.
Copies of the report have been sent to Auditor General Pamela Monroe Ellis and the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Branch, CTOC, for both to do their own investigations. Mr. Braham explained that among the recommendations are plans to correct IT issues to record every ticket sale and therefore remove the related loopholes. He said it's also recommended that frequent reconciliations are done to identify questionable or fraudulent activities in a more timely manner. Herman Green, TVJ News.